So now, let me just show you what I have done. I've went ahead and sewed the seam side. As you can see, I have sewed it round, and because I sew the side seam, as you can see, and I did this as well. Remember, we just fix our zipper, and this is it. You can see it's very neat. It's an invisible zipper that I fixed. That's it. Remember, the pant has no band, has no waistband, but it has facing. So this is my facing, and I went ahead and put invisible. I went and actually I ironed this side, and I put fusible inside. I just put light white fusible in, so that it will give the facing um, stable, to make it stable. Okay, so now the next thing we're going to do now is to fix our facing. So what you do is you open your, the zipper is closed like this. You open your zipper and you turn it like this. You see what I'm doing? I hope you can see what I'm doing. You turn it like this, okay? Then you place your zipper, your facing, you place it right side to right side. Of course, what I did was also I fold the edges of my facing uh, after overlocking it. All right. So now I'm just going to, you see, that is why this marking is very important, because when you fold it and then you'll be able to see the marking, then you can just sew your stitches right there. You see? So please, when you are sewing, you make sure you sew the inches or centimeter that you actually measured. If you measure half an inch, make sure you use half an inch. If it is 1 inch, you use 1 inch. So this is what I'm doing right now. So I am attaching my facing to the scale. Make sure your seam, what the sewing you do, you open it like this. Open it, you just you pin your fabric nicely at the dots that you created. Because when you iron them, you do your work very nicely, ironing, then everything will be nice and steady. The seam, you make sure you open it. That's what you do. Alright? Okay. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm just going to overlock it round. At the end, I will still do the same thing here. Yes, so you can go ahead and attach your facing to the end, and at the end, what you do is you sew here close to the zipper teeth, so that it will, when you turn it, you will see what I mean. I will show you when I'm done. So let me go to my sewing machine now and sew my work. Okay. This is what I did. I sew my facing in, so I press the waist into the facing. So I iron it back. So this is what you get. So So I will iron it again so that everything can get straight. And then I went ahead and hem my my pants under it. You can see. So you can, I use my sewing machine to sew it round, but you can use your hand to stop stitch it if you want. That's what you wish. But in this case, it's just demonstration purposes. So I use my sewing machine to sew it round. Okay, so that is it. The pant, as you can see, looks beautiful. My Kente pants is ready. My zipper is ready. So the pant is ready to wear. So what I'm going to do now is to give it a good press again, and then I will rock the pants. So please, you try to do yours, because actually practice make perfect. So as you try your best, then it's good enough. You can see how beautiful it is. I really love it, the way the designs run down, and I'm really satisfied with it. So please, you can, if you like it actually and it's useful to you, you can give me a thumbs up, you can share my videos, and it is, yeah, it is really gorgeous to make this. Okay, so you do your best. This side looks, so look at the back.